Did you know a brown hyena is one of the rarest creatures on Earth? That's exactly what wildlife photographer Wim van den Heever achieved, earning him the title of Wildlife Photographer of the Year. Picture this, a solitary nocturnal hyena, usually elusive, finally caught on film. Then there's Andrea Dominici, whose shot of a beetle on a cut log tells a heartbreaking story of habitat loss. And let's not forget Shane Gross, who spent hours in the scorching sun to capture moray eels scavenging, revealing natures. They remind us that every photograph tells a tale of survival, beauty, and urgency. The wonders of nature are endless, and every snapshot is a window into its incredible mysteries.